Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Among Us Spider-Man. So let's do it. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a curve right here for kind of the top of the crewmate's mask, the visor. Don't forget this is real simple, so like I said, follow along with me. I'm going to go right here now and I'm going to curve to the front, like so. Okay. I'm going to go over here on this side, curve around the other side. Okay. Now I'm going to kind of connect these at the bottom. Going to go over here now. Curve for the top of the forehead. And now we're going to curve over here, across the top of the head here. And then we're going to pull a straight line down. And now we're going to go, let's go over here now. We're going to pull straight down, let's mark it right here. We're going to pull straight down just as far down, okay? Ready? Going to go over here now. We're going to curve for the bottom of the foot, like so. Over here on this side, curve over the bottom of the foot, upward. Line underneath. All right. So let's go over here and put the Spider-Man stuff on him. Well, first thing we gotta do the backpack. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. The like is, awesome. Definitely hit that like button. And don't forget to see all the free stuff in the description. There's a lot of cool free stuff in the description for you if you want to learn how to draw Godzilla, for example, or you need a free ebook on how to draw something cute. Like, if you really want to excel at these things, it's best to kind of take advantage of that. Curve over here. Curve underneath. Okay. So, let's go to the Spider-Man drawing parts. Curve line over here, and then over here on this side. Alrighty. Over here on this side. Line out. Line out. Alright, and then we're gonna go over here, we're gonna pull another line down over here. And now we're going to pull this line over here to this side, okay? There you go. Don't forget to share the video if you can. The channel is going great, and I'm really appreciative to everybody here. So if you do like this sort of stuff, absolutely share the video. Curve over here. And then we're going to start over here and do it on the other foot. Line up over here. We'll do the webbing area. Line over here. Line out. Continue over here. Line over here on this side. Line down here on this side. Line over here. And we'll do one over here on the far side as well. Curve, curve. So this is like the webbing part. Curve. Go over here in this area. Curve up. Curve. 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 Curve over here, 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 and that's kind of it. I think I'm not gonna throw another one over there. Okay, so let's draw the spider in the middle of his chest right here. So I'm going to draw a dot for the spider's body. Line out, kind of like L shapes for kind of the legs. Outward over here, outward over here, outward over here. Like so. Okay, we're almost done. Stay with me, okay? We're almost done. Now we draw a straight line down, 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 down. Curve line down. Curve, curve. Line over here, line over here, line over here. We're going to keep going. Like I said, almost done. Don't forget, you just got to be close enough. You don't have to be exact or anything like that. That doesn't have to be exact. So let's go for the reflection on his visor. Line over here. Circle. And now we're going to go over here and we're going to give a little bit of a thicker line on the outside border of this crewmate, okay? And if you want to comment, please comment. I want to hear what you have to say. I feel like not enough people comment. If you comment, remember, I'm going to reply to every single comment. Every single one. Go back to old videos if you have any questions or you just want to say, hey, what's up? Or even just say hi. Because that's kind of like a test for me. If you go back and just say, hey, how's it going? On a random old video, I will reply to that. Try me. Try me. Really. Like, really. I dare you. I dare you to go back to as many videos as you want, and I will reply to every single one. Do it. Do it. Curve over here. Alright, we're going to keep going down, and we're just trying to get that border to give it like a sticker look. Let me put a little more thickness here. But that's it. I want to thank you very much for watching. And what I want you to really do, though, is kind of focus on the things that you enjoy. And, like, remember, drawing is supposed to be fun and relaxing. So if you keep it fun and relaxing, it's just going to be a great time. Stay around, and we're going to go into another drawing lesson, okay? So stick around right here, and let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.